Yeah.
2012.
2012. So this is just to go to show you how common and how brake pads and rotors are a hand-in-hand process, especially here in South Jersey. So Jude's doing a rear brake pad and rotor job. And you can actually see the brake pads have some material left. And if you look at the wear indicator, which is that little metal tab right there, once they start screaming, there's just about nothing left. But does that even matter anymore? Because by the time you get in for service, the rear rotors are destroyed. I've actually seen this buildup make noise on the rear backing plates and start scraping and making all different types of other racket. And then the parking brake adjuster is here, so you can do the mechanical part of the parking brake. And there is a little access panel back here with this little rubber plug. If you think the shoes are still good, keep in mind if they're covered in axle grease, they're not really going to work that well. It's very common for people to take these Jeeps off-road and probably not flush the differential. I would say, I mean, it's not 100% sealed, so I would say if you're submerging your Jeep in water all the time, you got to be draining and filling your differential pretty regularly. I don't know.